y'all see it, YouTube. What's going down? It's here maintenance wash on this here wrap. So y'all know what Cash doing. Bringing it to you. Yeah, y'all know I'm gonna bring it to you. Let y'all see what's going on. So y'all wouldn't think she clean, cause y'all always saying my cars be clean. Cash really be clean. It's an imperfection in the wrap. Can't get that out. You have to replace the wrap. So y'all know what's going on, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Bro, to getting me right.
Man, what's going on, man? It's your boy Cash, man. Cartoon Cash somewhere fucking off, as usual. But he always come when it's time to get paid. But that's my guy. And today we doing a DIY detail. And what am I using from DIY? I'm using Quick Beads. And you know I use it as a drying aid. This time I'm using it as a wet aid. Man, Cash, chill, bro. Chill, bro. That's lame. Hey, man, it's a dad joke. All right, but look, back to it. Y'all saw the water properties, man. It was sheeting off real slow. That's because this is a maintenance wash. The vehicle does have a protection. It's just not the strongest. So Cash is gonna quick beat these wheels right quick. Bam, sprayed it on. Let it dwell for 30 seconds. Dwell. 30 seconds, dwell. Come back with some pressure, because the pressure is what activate the ceramic and the quick beads, guys. So the 30 seconds dwell is the curing, and the activation is the high speed pressure with your jet, pressure washer, or anything. And now after I came through with the pressure, you can see how the water behavior is behaving now. Look at the water behavior now. It's just dripping. But again, man, shout out to Nick, shout out to Ivan, shout out to DIY Detail. Get y'all some. Smooth, flat. Damn. Y'all see that? Y'all see that, man? Y'all see them wheels? Shout out to them wheels, man. The glass. The front. The rear, the bottom, the side, the top, the everything. We about to pull it out so y'all can see it in that natural sunlight. Maintenance wash, you know. Y'all see what's going on. It's wrapped, by the way. That's on the felt. And they said your satin wrap can't shine. It says satin wrap, not glossy. Well, that's because they never had a Cash touch. They never had that Cash shine. Because when you get that Cash shine, this is what you do, this is what you see.